Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer sesame chicken. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the sauce first. We'll need a quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1, 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, 1, 2 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1, 2, 3 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half tablespoon of finely chopped up ginger, quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper, quarter cup of sugar, and lastly 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. 1, 2. Take everything and mix it all together. Looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We also have here a quarter cup of water, and to the quarter cup of water we're adding 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to use this water cornstarch mixture to thicken up the sauce. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side as well. We'll also need a half cup of cornstarch. We're going to put the cornstarch to the side as well. And we're going to start cutting up the boneless and skinless chicken thighs. This is around 1.5 pounds, close to it. First thing what we're going to do is cut off the excess fat. Just like that. There we go. We're going to remove the excess fat. Next, we're going to cut them into 1-inch chunks. Something like this. We cut them all into chunks, and next we're going to season it with some garlic salt. Just like that. Turn them over. Do the same thing. We're going to make some space in the center. And we're going to crack open 1 egg. Mix everything all together. Okay, the egg is nicely mixed in with the chicken. We're going to take the chicken and dip it into the cornstarch. Just like that. We have all the chicken dipped in cornstarch, and next we're going to spray it with some olive oil. There you go. Turn them over, do the same thing. Spray some olive oil. There we go. Next we're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken. Okay, let's put it in. Turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been 6 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. Let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been a total time of 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take out the chicken. Want to take out the chicken? There we go. We have the chicken ready to go. First thing we're going to do is grab some rice from the rice cooker. There we go. We have here 2 cups of sliced up lettuce. And we're just going to sprinkle it on top of the white rice. Okay, we heated up the pan. We're going to add the sauce. Next, we're going to add the cornstarch water mixture into it. Stir it in to thicken up the sauce. Okay, it's looking good. We thickened up the sauce. We're going to add the chicken in and stir everything all up. Next, we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. You can sprinkle more or less depending on your preference. We're going to scoop it up. And lastly, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit more sesame seeds. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer sesame chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.